Two well spent days in Balnob up on the Sunshine Coast. First stop, the pool. Mostly we just stood around saying wow, blue water, blue sky, and zero rush. And then here comes my favorite spot. The view basically does all the talking: mountains, forest, and that long horizon that makes you forget your phone. I forgot to film the night, but oh man, the stars were insane, bright everywhere. Easily the best sky I have seen. Here comes one of my friend's bedroom, and I'm not quite sure why I filmed this, but it was simple and clean. I just realized in this video, my friends were watching Rajni sir's audio launch on YouTube, which is in Tamil. That's too funny because none of us can understand Tamil. We're all Telugu people, but again, it's Rajnikant. Lunch mission was serious. Biryani with chicken curry. They were so focused that they almost forgot I existed, which was perfect. No chores for me. Well, until they remembered and made me wash the bowls. Fair enough. This is the last stop. It's my bedroom. I was so excited to film this. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వస్తావా అని అడిగితే ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తా. ఒక్కవేళ ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ ఎ చిల్ సన్షైన్ కోస్ట్ వీకెండ్, save the spot and subscribe for more simple escapes.